Okay, it's drizzling. ঝিরিঝিরি বৃষ্টি পড়ছে, ঝিরিঝিরি বৃষ্টি পড়ছে, it's drilling. It's drizzling. We have started playing cricket. বলো আমরা সকালে একটু ক্রিকেট খেলি। কি হবে ইংলিশ?
Little bit.
পুরো সেন্টেন্স বলো। সকালে আমরা একটু ক্রিকেট।
In the morning we played a little bit.
In the morning we played little cricket.
Little cricket.
বেটার হবে, এটাও বলবে we played some cricket. Very stylish English.
Some.
We had some cricket in the morning. কি বললাম? We had some cricket in the morning. These are often published in the newspaper, in the dailies, in the Statesman, in London Times. Okay, বুঝতে পেরেছো? We had some cricket in the morning. A little bit cricket it's use হচ্ছে, কিন্তু we had some cricket. বুঝতে পেরেছো? We had some cricket in the morning. দেখো একটা ছোট্ট ইংলিশ শিখলাম। Yes or no? Come closer. So you see, it's a very beautiful scenic beauty. It has started drizzling. I think it will soon start pouring. মানে ঝড়ো ঝড়ো বৃষ্টি। Cats and dogs আমরা বলি, কিন্তু heavy downpour. It's pouring down. গদ গদ বৃষ্টি। It's bucketing down. গদ গদ বৃষ্টি।
We had some toast in the morning.
Yeah, we had some toast in the morning. We had some cricket in the morning. We had some. What তুমি যেমন বলছো যে we had some রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত in the morning. প্র্যাকটিস করেছো। তো লিটল বিট তো ব্যবহার করবে, তার সঙ্গে লাগাও some. Play it in my way. Nice.